is a shop. What do you expect to do here? Sorry. I didn't mean to offend you. What? Well, hurry up and give me the money. Now. Sorry. I'll get it. I'll give you it. Okay? Here you go. Here, have the money. That ain't enough money, you stupid kid. Here, take that coin. Get that. Sorry. I didn't know. Sorry. I'll get you. And the shopkeeper is rude to you. It's so not cool. Like, if you were going into a shop and the shopkeeper was rude to you and you want this sort of things, there's no way they'd sell stuff. I mean, if their bosses saw them do that, what do you think their bosses would say? Oh, you'd be a very good boy being rude to your customers. No, he wouldn't say that. He would say, why are you being so rude to your customers? Why? So, I ask you this. Why? Why are the shopkeepers so rude to your customers? Preferably the younger customers. Like, OMG! OMG! That is like, why? I hate it when that happens. So horrible. So I ask you this. Please, if you're a shopkeeper or assistant working behind the desk or something like that, please, just be nice. Don't be horrible. If the client is nice to you, being welcoming,